After 5 long hours of political drama, Triple Talaq Bill was passed in the Lok Sabha. All amendments suggested by the opposition, including modification of the jail term clause, have been rejected. Congress, Samajwadi Party and the AIADMK even staged a walkout just before voting as the centre junked their demand of sending the bill to Parliament Standing Committee.
Madam, please use your discretionary power.
You can speak on the...
After 5 hours of a high-voltage political debate, the amended Triple Talaq Bill was passed by the Lok Sabha on Thursday. The Congress, joined by other opposition parties, pitched for the bill to be sent to a joint select committee, claiming that the provisions in the new bill were unconstitutional.
आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं और गवर्नमेंट से भी रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि इसको जॉइंट सेलेक्ट कमेटी को आप भेजिए। नहीं मैडम स्पीकर नो जॉइंट सेलेक्ट कमेटी को अगर आप रेफर करेंगे तो वो उनको आप 1 महीने का टाइम दीजिए, 15 दिन का टाइम दीजिए, व्हाटएवर, तो स्मूथली दिस बिल will come out.
The government said that the penal provision in the bill was necessary if Triple Talaq had to be implemented in the spirit of the Supreme Court judgment.
मजिस्ट्रेट पूछेगा पति से, तूने 3 तलाक दिया, नहीं दिया, पत्नी को इज्जत से वापस ले जाओ, घर पे रखो, टर्म्स रिकॉर्ड करेगा, इसको मेंटेन करो, और अगर तूने दिया तो जेल जाओ, ट्रायल फेस करो.
The nearly 5-hour-long debate saw heated arguments.
हजरत साहब का नाम मेरे नाम मुंह से सुनना चाहते हैं तो मैं भी हनुमान चालीसा आपके मुंह से सुनना चाहूंगी साहब. कभी दम हो तो सुना दीजिएगा.
I have one humble question to ask you. With full humility, please put your hand on your heart and tell me that this is not political and your agenda is only social. Why did you use the ordinance route and not a consensus route is my first question to ask you, if this is only a social issue.
कांग्रेस के पास आरिफ मोहम्मद खान जैसे मुसलमान नेता का भी नेतृत्व था. चाहते तो देश का इतिहास आज से 30 साल पहले बदल सकते थे, मगर जिनको राजनीति तोड़ मरोड़ कर डिविसिव पॉलिटिक्स करनी है वो कभी देश का इतिहास बदलेंगे नहीं.
Today when it comes to a Muslim male, you are criminalizing it. This law, madam, this law is not about empowering a Muslim woman. This law is about penalizing a Muslim man.
The numbers were on the BJP side in the Lok Sabha, and there was no hope of the opposition having its way on sending the bill to the select panel. So just before the voting, the Congress, Samajwadi Party and the AIADMK staged a walkout. The Congress demand was backed by AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who vehemently opposed criminalization of Triple Talaq.
कि ट्रिपल तलाक को क्रिमिनलाइज किया जा रहा है. क्यों किया जा रहा है? क्योंकि इस्तेमाल हमारे खिलाफ होगा. अगर किसी हिंदू का डिवोर्स होता है, 1 साल की सजा क्यों है उसको, और मुसलमान को 3 साल क्यों मिलेगी?
The bill now goes to the Rajya Sabha, and that's where the government will face the heat, given that the opposition is the larger group in the House of Elders. Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.